Welcome to the Carwstar channel. If you don't subscribe here on the
Let's get a
channel
look at
and
the
leave your like.
2021 Street Glide, Road Glide, and Road King specials.
These powerful modern custom baggers are classically designed with a timeless style. Now for me, with the miles I put on, a bagger's a no-brainer. I really enjoy the practical side of a touring vehicle with the added wind protection, the luggage, more comfortable seat, and a very nice suspension. And I always upgrade with the rider safety enhancement option. These bikes are truly an artful balance between form and function.
For the first time, the Street Glide Special and Road Glide Special are also available in chrome finish, as well as the previous offered blacked out finishes.
Adventure starts with the 2021 Street Glide Special, and it starts with a roar and a rumble of the legendary Milwaukee 8 114 V-twin engine. Then turn up the cranking sound system to provide that perfect harmony.
If I were to jump on one of these bikes right now, Paul, I would head out to Sturgis. It's always been on my bucket list, and this seems like the perfect bike to ride there and show off.
Totally. Sturgis is the 5-gallon of bucket lists. When you look at the riding out there, it's just phenomenal. From Custer to Needles to Nemo Canyon, Van Acker, Spearfish Canyon, crossover to Devil's Tower. Amazing, epic rides out there. And speaking of bikes, to get lost in that ride, let's look at the Road Glide Special.
The 2021 Road Glide Special is the kind of motorcycle you want to take a nice long look at and an even longer ride on.
The iconic touring design with a two-tone paint option, the shark nose fixed fairing. This thing is a classic by the time you hit second gear.
What impresses me most as a test engineer is the 114 powertrain. That throaty rumble, smooth and responsive delivery really packs the power. This powertrain must feel even better on the lighter Road King Special.
Yeah, it sure does. The 21 Road King Special is loaded with power and attitude. This custom bagger commands a presence wherever you go. Working front to back with the slam front fender, the blacked out nacelle, the taller bars, transitioning to the bags, this Road King drips in that classic profile of a Harley Davidson. And yet the design of the bike is agile and easy to handle. If you're the type of rider that likes to grip it and rip it, this is your steed.
As I said earlier, we don't take specials lightly here at Harley. I promise you, there is no better way to explore the world than on the Street Glide, Road Glide, and Road King specials.
Listen, when you're in the city, man, you have noise, you have light, you have all these different distractions. It's all coming at you in all these different angles. It beats you up. And you need some sort of escape to keep going in that environment. I've worked in so many creative fields, art direction, graphic design, clothing design. I have so many different things that I'm doing. I have so many different ideas that I want to bring to life. When I'm out there, I'm being inspired and I'm creating a new story for myself. When I don't ride for a long time, I feel like something's missing. And when I get on the bike, something clicks in me. I come back with a different enthusiasm. I have more ideas as well. Coming from the sport bike world, we kind of like judge Harleys, you know what I'm saying, based on like what they look like and the people who are riding them. And I was that person. I just didn't know what that world was like. Everything that I'm doing on the bike, I'm like the most alive during those moments, and I'm seeing it from the outside. That's like action for me. Like I'm starring in my own movie. You know, you harness this machine and navigate through this concrete jungle. Like that's real energy right there. That's power. That to me is just like poetry in motion.
Carwstar channel. If you don't subscribe here on the channel and leave your like.